In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to calculate the range of a data set. So if we have a problem like this that says calculate the range of the following data set, and we have some numbers 10, 7, 4, 1, 9. So let's first understand the meaning of range. The range is the difference between the greatest and the least number. Okay, so the difference, so you subtract between the greatest and the least number. So now let's find the greatest number in this data set. So if we take a look, we'll see that this is the greatest number. 10 is the greatest number out of all these. Now let's find the least number. The least number is 1. Okay, so now all we have to do is subtract the two to get the range. Subtract the least number from the greatest number. So that would be 10 minus 1 equals 9. So finally, the range of the data set is 9. And that's how simple that is. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video. You're probably just one explanation away from getting it. If you need extra help, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that are similar to this. As well, you could download the ebook and follow along in the ebook. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.